Okay folks, I got a battery operated transfer or battery operated liquid transfer pump. I use this to put fuel in my mower with, and it's been a good help. It's been a lot of help, but I've got a few problems with this thing, and I'll show you guys how to go over and take care of these problems with this. First one deals with the batteries. This section, well, this unbolts, and then this will unbolt from this part. How you tighten it, I know this sounds strange, but it has to be tightened up a certain way to get the batteries to work inside here. And I know that sounds strange, but over tightening this will somehow disconnect the batteries and this won't turn on. There's a switch on and off right here. When you get these things brand new, there's a piece of tape over the end. That's the impeller right there. You need to take that piece of tape off. And they don't tell you that, and they don't give you instructions on this thing either. Not that I can remember. But I imagine there's been a lot of people out there that get that thing and they have that piece of tape over the end and then they can't get it to work and they're wondering what's going on. So that's another tip on that. I was having a lot of leaks out of this thing. And to me, they were coming from everywhere and I couldn't figure it out. And what I found out is that this whole assembly, I can't even get it to unbolt. Get this to unbolt right here, and this all has to be like watertight. I mean, you know what I'm saying. And as you can see, I got Teflon tape on there. And the Teflon tape somewhat works. I prefer the liquid method, or the liquid Teflon tape, pipe thread compound, and that's what I'm going to put on there next. This whole assembly, there's no gasket between there, there's no gasket up here, and this all has to stay airtight for this pump to work. And that's why you need to seal it off. And that's why I got the Teflon tape out here, and I'm going to take that off and put the pipe thread compound on here. These will leak through here and here. So far it hadn't leaked right here. And I really like this. This thing is really handy for filling that lawnmower up. I mean, it's hard. You're looking at gasoline's 9 pounds a gallon. And I got 2 5-gallon cans, and that's a lot of weight to pick up. And I would rather just put it on the tire and use this to transfer it over and to fill that booger up. Like I said, so far it's been just a few quirky little things, but you got to work with it to kind of figure that stuff out. But I'm going to reseal these, and these tips that I gave you is how to get these things to work for you. Like I said, if you over tighten this thing, it'll lock this up and it won't work. Sometimes you just got to loosen it up a little bit and hit it, and it'll work. Good set of batteries in there too, and I'm going to seal this booger up, and it'll last a long time. So that's my tips and tricks for this liquid transfer, battery operated liquid transfer pump. And I got this over at Harbor Freight, and I don't remember how much I paid for it. So that ought to help you guys out. Anyhow, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on my next video.